At the moment, there is a small issue, which may not seem like a problem at the moment, but this issue will grow as we get a lot more comments. At the moment, if we take a look at a blog post, and I've added 3 different comments onto here, if we were to go ahead and click on reply to this first comment, the reply box is right at the bottom of all of the other comments. This is fine with the number of comments which we have, but imagine if we clicked on the first comment when there was 50 comments, then we'll be taken right down to the bottom, resulting in a bad user experience. This is something which WordPress has us covered for by allowing us to load up some JavaScript to place the comment box just under the comment we are replying on. This is as simple as enqueuing a new script, just like we did earlier with our Bootstrap. The only difference this time is we're going to load this up inside of an if statement. We don't want this WordPress script called comment reply to always be loaded. We only want it to be loaded on the single post page, if the comments are open, and also if nested comments are enabled too. To do this, let's go over to our functions.php. This will be added up just after our Bootstrap JavaScript, so within our tranquil scripts function. Let's make some space. And then inside here, I'm going to begin with a PHP if statement. So let's type this out to begin with, and then we'll talk about what each function does. So first of all, we want to check if is singular. And I'm going to add this on a new line so it's more clear. Then we want to add the double ampersands to also check if the comments are open. The next line, also check if the get option of thread comments is enabled. If all these conditions are true, we then want to load our script with wp enqueue script. The script we want to load is the JavaScript called comment reply. Comment reply is bundled with WordPress, so we don't need to add this into our theme. So the first thing we're doing is checking if is singular. Is singular is a WordPress conditional tag to check if this is the single post page. We then want to check the comments are open, which is another conditional tag. Check if comments are enabled for this post. This is done inside of the dashboard. Get option will retrieve an option from the WordPress database. Options are basically pieces of data, which it uses to store configuration settings. Here we include in the thread comments, and this is a option value to check if nested comments are enabled. This is important since this JavaScript we are loading is used to bring the comment box under the nested replies. The option of enabling and disabling comments can be found in the dashboard. Let's head over to there now, go down to settings, and then in discussion. Here we find all of the options we have relating to our comments, such as enabling our nested comments, which we see here, or making sure users must be registered and logged in to comment. So all that's left to do now is make sure this file is saved. Go over to our blog section, into a comment. So choose any blog post with some comments, and let's go for the first one, click on reply. And now this box to reply is directly underneath the comment which we clicked on. And this now leaves our reply box directly underneath the comment we're replying on, resulting in a much better user experience.